Hi everyone. Are you familiar with the term ghosting? Ghosting means cutting off all communication without any reason or explanation. This doesn't only happen in romantic relationships, but also in friendships and even professional relationships. For example, your close coworker doesn't come to the office one day and you can't contact them at all, even though you're communicating well before. So you start to worry about them and think about what might be the reason for this. It could be that your coworker is ghosting you. How do you know when people are ghosting you? And why does this even happen when you think everything's fine? If you're curious to know more, here are 5 possible reasons why ghosting happens. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent updates. 1. They are not that into you. People will be willing to make time for the people they care about, even if this means making time to break up with someone. According to a survey performed in 2019, 81% of participants mentioned that they were ghosting someone because they weren't interested in them. 64% of participants said they did something they didn't like, while 26% said they were angry with them. If someone's not that into you or thinks they don't have to invest much time in the relationship with you, they probably feel like they don't owe you any explanation at all. When someone ghosts you, make sure to think again about how deep your relationship is with them. You might realize just how not really into you they are from how they treat you. 2. They think that you're somewhat dangerous. This one is quite rare to happen, but when someone ghosts you, it's possible that they may think that you're a dangerous person. This can be a reasonable response to their fear and worries because they learn some unpleasant things about you. For instance, they're afraid of being stalked, so they think that the safest way to stop or end the relationship with you is by saying nothing at all. 3. They are busy, and you are not their priority. Though it's true that people make time for things or people they care about, it's also true that sometimes hard time gets in the way. Family issues or hard times at work can easily distract someone's attention from a person whom they don't frequently meet. Ending communication is indeed not the most effective way to overcome issues. Things can be more complicated because the other party may not understand you and thus makes unreasonable assumptions out of confusion. Sometimes people find it necessary to take a break from any relationship, and they do that by ghosting their partner. 4. They're dealing with depression or trauma. The next reason is linked to depression or trauma. Sometimes when people are dealing with depression, they'll withdraw themselves from everyone in their lives. The depression makes them feel overwhelmed, so they don't know what to do about themselves, let alone thinking about you. They just want to be alone and do nothing. So when someone ghosts you, you don't have to take offense, though it's hard to do. It's best to give them some time. 5. Too much time passed by. Have you ever stepped away from a conversation for a long time so that you find it difficult to get back to it? This is the common reason why people ghost you, why they don't respond to you anymore. When too much time passes by, it's probably better to just let the relationship go and not address the silence. Just move on. Well, what do you think about this? Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you can receive our subsequent updates. And thank you for watching this video.